Howdy guys, what's up today? We're out in the barn out in the pasture. Today is Saturday the 25th, I think. We're out getting the barn ready for lambing. So there's a fence. There's a bunch of panels and posts I put up that split the barn in about, well, I'd say like 2/3 of the barn is here, a third of the barn is over there, and then there's a gate in the middle that we can pull the lambs and the ewes through. We scraped this down about 3 days ago, so we let it dry. Now it's nice and firm and not mushy anymore. It made quite the straw pile out here. There it is, made quite the pile actually, but now we're bedding it, and so yeah, hopefully I can get some video in between me working, showing you setting up things. There's gonna be a lot of trial and error. I have never lambed in this barn before, so you guys are gonna learn with me. Here we go. Howdy guys, it's currently April 26th, 5:15 a.m. We had a lamb yesterday born, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab a cup of coffee while that guy's warming up. Here's that lamb that was born. It's a little ewe lamb. Two wonderful little black-faced lambs. I'm gonna go start setting up some jugs now, so. Alright guys, I got 4 pens set up. Yeah, this is how the jugs are going to be set up. They're going this way. There's 3 hog panels tied together. But yeah, we'll probably have 2 or 3 rows of jugs just like this. So yeah, I'm thinking we can fit like 2, 4, 6, I don't know, maybe 14, 16 jugs on each row. So need about 40 jugs for this many ewes or more. If you can, it would be the best. And then we'll put grouping pens over there by the door, and that way if we got to move the grouping pens to another barn or out in a pen somewhere, they'll be right by the door and you can load them in a trailer and go. So I was just scraping up some manure by the barn, and look what I found out there in the manure pile. Shh, don't tell Mom. Gotta feed the pig every so often. Molly! This is my last sow. She's staying until she dies. Oh, which I hope she never does. Right, Molly? Wash it out a little bit. Man, doing things one-handed is a little tough when you're dealing with livestock. Plenty of water throughout the day. It's nice and breezy today, but when it's warm out, I got this bucket that you can see the water kind of mixing with some old feed in there, but I poured on her back. Helps cool her down. Whoops, just poured corn on her back, I guess. Whoa. Molly loves attention. Oh, okay. She's got a lot of power. Well, Molly, say goodbye. I gotta go for now.
All right. Well, see you later.